Now in this video, we are going to learn about what is whale evasion tool. So this tool will be very helpful in creating the payloads. So whale evasion is a tool used to generate payloads that bypass traditional antivirus products during offensive security engagements, stimulating a genius attack. If a malicious attacker manages to compromise the whale evasion instances, they could potentially gain access to client networks being accessed and tested by the offensive security professional with a disastrous result. So now let's understand what is whale evasion and how does it work. So whale evasion is a tool designed for penetration testers and red teams or to the hackers to stimulate bypasses of common antivirus products. Tools like these are of very high value of offensive security professionals, as they can be used to emulate a more persistent attacker who will try to bypass an AV system through trial and error. Without a tool such as whale evasion, offensive security engagements would take longer and cost a good deal more. Whale evasion can work on existing executables or simply create a wide range of payloads with cell code added to them. The majority of cases use a cell code based method, as the resulting payload has a better chance of evading antivirus systems. Considering that a tool like this is used by professionals organizations to stimulate an attack by adversaries, it would make sense to allow a user to automate the generation of a payload from a central location. This allows it to be integrated into attack workflows, which lets offensive security professionals work more efficiently. One feature made available by whale evasion is a remote procedure call, which is also called as RPC, for automating the generation of payload. Those creating the malware using this RPC, though it is not accessed during the actual use of the malware, and the malware itself does not contact with RPC. So this is the brief introduction about the whale evasion tool. In the next video, we are going to see how to install whale evasion into your Kali Linux operating system.